How to delete your Facebook account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete your Facebook account. First, go to the Facebook website and make sure you're logged in. Then, click on the profile icon in the top right corner. After that, click on Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Now click on Personal Details, and then select Personal Settings on the left side. Next, click on Account Ownership and Control. After that, click on Deactivation or Deletion. Now click on your username and select the Delete Account option. Finally, click on Continue to proceed with deleting your account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.